I mean, how can I say I am so delighted, so humbled, so excited. This is the gold dust, you know, people talk about. I had no idea, did not expect it, truly humbled. That's an institution I worked in as a part-time law lecturer all those many years ago, and studied in, actually, and people invested in me, people developed me, just remembered me. That is huge. And I just feel that it's a testament to the ethos of the university and the leadership that we have with Professor Medwin and other lecturers who've invested in so many other students, so many other staff, to say that we can start from very low levels and reach the sky. I am beyond excited today. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm going to be singing and dancing the whole day. Thank you so much. I'll share a story about how I started and hope that that inspires them. I arrived in the UK to marry my husband, who, Dr. Andrew, who was lecturing in the Swansea Institute, the law school, which is now UWTSD. And I remembered going to the job centre in Swansea and an official telling me, "You're never going to get a job in the legal profession because you're black." And that was my first engagement with work. And to be honest with you, my first job in the UK was selling toys in Toys R Us, because I could not literally get a job. And I walked around Walter Road. The discouragement was beyond. And I topped up that. It was £2.40 an hour. And I topped that up with working night shift in the Walker's factory packing crisps at £3.60 an hour. And I never gave up, because I believed that I had so much more. And from Walker's factory and Toys R Us to becoming the specialist advisor on equalities to the First Minister and Welsh Government, it shows that something has really shifted. And I want to say to all the students, believe in yourself, work extremely hard, never take no for an answer, keep pounding on those doors, keep looking for mentors that believe in you. And also be prepared that you are going to fail at some things. And that's actually okay, to fail at some things, because you learn. There are opportunities to learn. But never, ever give up. The sky is our limit. And I believe that if you keep going with all the lessons you've learned in this beautiful university, well, let's hear more about you in the future. So here's me saying thumbs up to all the graduates, and yeah, keep going. We believe in you, and a big thank you for this amazing honor. Thank you.